Okay, I first noticed the hair loss in my early 20s. I used to have a huge hair, very curly. When I went to army, they told me that my hair is thinning. It makes you look older, sometimes unhappier. It changes the relationship with people. You don't feel as energetic as before. Well, maybe, sometime not going as much out as I used to, going to clubs and having fun. I just wanted to look younger, for me and for my family. I read reviews and I heard only good things about him, so I just wanted to be my surgeon. It was easy and it was a pleasant experience. I like to interact with people a lot more than I used to. Everybody tells me that I look younger. It looks natural. They don't know. If I don't tell them that I had my hair done, they don't know. It was absolutely worth it. Absolutely, he's a very good doctor. As you can see, he can deliver what he's promising.